life, cells are the fundamental units of life, acting as the building blocks of all living organisms. In humans, cells are incredibly complex and specialized, each performing unique functions that are essential for survival. Understanding the structure and function of human cells helps us appreciate the complexity of the human body and the intricate systems that sustain life. Structure of a human cell. Human cells come in many shapes and sizes, but they all share some common features. Each cell is enclosed by a cell membrane, a thin, flexible barrier that controls what enters and exits the cell. The cell membrane is composed of a double layer of lipids, interspersed with proteins that help with transport and communication. Inside the cell is a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm, which contains all the organelles and various molecules required for the cell's functions. The most prominent organelle is the nucleus, often referred to as the control center of the cell. The nucleus houses the cell's genetic material, DNA, which contains the instructions for making proteins and carrying out other cellular activities. Other essential organelles include the mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, through a process called cellular respiration. Another key organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum, ER, which comes in two types: rough ER, studded with ribosomes for protein synthesis, and smooth ER, which is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification processes. The Golgi apparatus functions as the cell's packaging and distribution center, modifying proteins and lipids made by the ER and preparing them for transport to their final destinations. Lysosomes and peroxisomes are small vesicles that contain enzymes for breaking down waste materials and detoxifying harmful substances. The cell structure is supported by the cytoskeleton, a network of protein fibers that maintain the cell's shape, enable movement, and assist in the transport of materials within the cell. The centrioles, found near the nucleus, play a key role in cell division by helping to organize the spindle fibers that separate chromosomes during mitosis. Functions of human cells. Human cells perform a vast array of functions, each tailored to the specific needs of the tissue or organ they constitute. For example, red blood cells are specialized for carrying oxygen throughout the body, while nerve cells, neurons, are designed to transmit electrical signals that coordinate bodily functions. The primary function of all cells is to maintain homeostasis, a state of balance that is necessary for survival. Cells achieve this by regulating their internal environment, responding to external signals, and communicating with other cells. For instance, cells in the immune system detect and respond to pathogens, protecting the body from infections. Cells also have the ability to reproduce through cell division. In somatic cells, this process is called mitosis, where a single cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. This is essential for growth, development, and tissue repair. In contrast, meiosis occurs in germ cells, sperm and egg, resulting in the production of cells with half the number of chromosomes, which is crucial for sexual reproduction. Another critical function of cells is metabolism, which involves all the chemical reactions that occur within a cell. Metabolic processes include breaking down nutrients to produce energy, synthesizing necessary compounds, and eliminating waste products. Importance of human cells. Cells are not just the building blocks of the human body. They are also fundamental to understanding health and disease. Many diseases, such as cancer, occur when cells grow uncontrollably due to mutations in their DNA. Understanding the behavior of cells allows scientists to develop treatments that target specific cellular processes. Research on human cells has also led to advancements in regenerative medicine. For example, stem cells, which have the ability to differentiate into various cell types, hold promise for repairing damaged tissues and treating conditions such as Parkinson's disease and spinal cord injuries. Moreover, the study of human cells is critical in the field of genetics. By understanding how genes are expressed in cells, scientists can develop gene therapies to treat genetic disorders. The human cell is a marvel of biological engineering, equipped with all the machinery necessary for life, from providing energy to the body to facilitating communication between tissues. Cells perform countless functions that are essential for our existence. As the foundation of all biological processes, cells not only sustain life, but also hold the key to understanding health, disease, and the future of medicine. Whether through research, diagnostics, or therapeutic applications, the study of human cells continues to be at the forefront of scientific discovery, offering endless possibilities for improving human health and longevity.